Hello, this is Goshen and today we're going to be going over how to use Chunk Pregenerator to pre-generate your world and to preview it. It's a really great new feature, just barely came out for Chunk Pregenerator. And so what you do is we're using my Towncraft mod pack as an example. You click on single player, create new world, and you click on your world options. You know, if you need to use, if you're in single player, you wanted to use commands as an operator, you have to use cheats on. And you world type biomes of plenty. You click on preview right here. And it's going to pause for a second while it gets loaded up. And this is the most amazing feature I've ever seen. It's something I've always wanted. What you do is you click on, you can do here's the seed here. And if you change the size, you can change this world size to how you want. By default, it starts at 3,200 blocks. You have to click on apply size if you change the size, or apply if you change the seed. And what you do is you click on terrain. Oh no, you don't click on terrain. If you do just terrain, that will show you just the land. If you want to add the features to the land, you're going to do terrain and post. So like if you're just going to start it and walk away, you're going to want to have terrain and post. But if you want to preview the land, you make sure it's just that, and then you click on Start Gen. It's going to pause again for a little while it is loading up. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to show you what the land looks like. I've always wanted this. For example, if you're starting up a server really quick for a new mod pack that just came out, you don't want to have a water world or a volcanic island that everyone starts on, or you never know. And so it's really nice not to have to like actually start the world and then start flying around. That's typically what we do, is all staff would just hop in and we'd fly in different directions and say, how's it look over there? Well, it looks pretty good to me. And how's it, this is, you can see it right here. So it looks like we've got this giant redwood forest here, which is kind of cool. So this shows you, by just mousing over, you can see what we've got. And right now it's generating terrain only, which means the blocks. No features, like it's none of the temples or the any of the world gen. It's just going to have the land, which is really nice because it happens really quickly. As you can see, we've already generated 4,000 chunks worth of land out of the 40,000 that we've told it to do, because this is a radius. So you can zoom way in and see actual blocks, or zoom way out like this. One of the reasons why you see these really sweet rivers is because we have a streams mod on this mod pack. I don't know what this is. This is an interesting little feature. Huh. So we've got a pretty good chunk of land. This would not be a bad start. I mean, if we look at 0, 0, you're going to start like in a grassland, forest type stuff. But then you've got this huge redwood forest here, which you can harvest lots of wood from, I guess. And yeah, so that is how you use the Chunk Pregenerator preview feature. So nice to be able to see your world before. Now terrain is really fast. If you add post, it's going to be obviously a lot slower because it's got to calculate all the ores and everything else that it's going to add. So if you like your world, what you do is you click on Add Post, and then it will generate all the structures and the ores and everything else that is needed to actually run. And then you click on Keep World, and you can save it out. But as you can see, I mean, we've already generated almost 13,000 chunks worth of land. So you can see that this is going to be a great little starting, area. And chunk pregeneration is imperative if you're going to run a public server, because if you've got people running off generating chunks in all different directions, you'll still do a crawl and no one will be able to play, and everyone will say, oh, your hardware's laggy and blah blah blah. But no, the real issue is that you didn't pregenerate chunks, and if you don't pregenerate chunks, you can expect that. So pregenerating chunks and then uploading the single player files to the server. I guess I should go over that real quick. So if you go to your saves, you'll have so let's go to instances, for example, Towncraft, saves. In your saves folder, there's going to be this is your world folder. So everything inside here you've got to upload. and you're going to upload everything from the top to the bottom of your saves with the name, and you're going to put that in your world-towncraft folder, or where, whatever you named it, inside your server.properties. And then, and that's after you finish chunk pre-generating, of course. This has to be totally done with the add post, and then you upload it, and then people can run around and not cause world gen lag. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, drop in the comment below, or feel free to join our Discord server and chat with us in person. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.